Hi, afternoon. Assalamualaikum. Today I'm going to share with you the solution of SPM MRSM 2021 paper 2. In this video, I'll show the answer of section A. Okay, question number 1. Given the function fx equals to negative 4x squared minus 4x plus 2. A, by using the method of completing the square, express fx in the form of fx equals to negative 4x plus h squared plus k. Okay, you know that this is the general form of quadratic function and this is the vertex form of quadratic function. Okay, to convert from general form to vertex form, we can use completing the square. Okay, so then from the question, from the function, so fx equals to negative 4x squared minus 4x plus 2, first step, we kena make sure lah A is 1. Okay, so then we factorize negative 4. So x squared plus x minus 1 over 2. Okay, then the next step kita kena plus dengan b over 2 squared minus b over 2 squared. Okay, so then this one is negative 4 x squared plus x. Okay, plus b is 1 over 2 squared minus 1 over 2 squared. Okay, so then minus 1 over 2. Okay, so then this one negative 4, so we take this one, so x plus 1 over 2 squared minus this one kita simplify, 1 over 4 minus 1 over 2. Okay, so then this one become negative 4 x plus 1 over 2 squared minus 3 over 4. Okay, so negative 4, open the big bracket so x plus 1 over 2 squared plus 3. Okay, so this is the vertex form of this quadratic function. Okay, question B. Sketch the graph of fx equals to negative 4x squared minus 4x plus 2. Okay, so actually from vertex form, we can identify the shape of quadratic function. Okay, yang ni is value of a. So a is negative 4. Negative 4 is less than 0, meaning that set. Okay, set curve. Set curve kita ada maximum lah. Okay, maximum value dulu. Okay, maximum value yang this one. Okay, which is equals to 3. Okay, so actually maximum value ni value of y lah. Okay, so then axis of symmetry in the bracket equals to 0. So x plus 1 over 2 equals to 0, x equals to 1 over 2. So therefore dapatlah maximum point x and y. Okay, so x tadi 1 over 2, negative 1 over 2, y kita is 3. Okay, so kita boleh lukislah kita punya graf. Okay, so macam ni graf kita, y axis. Okay, this one x axis. Okay, lepas tu negative 1 over 3, 3. So this one lah lebih kurang kat sini kan. Negative 1 over 2, 3. 3 kat sini. So this one lah kita punya maximum point. Okay, then from here kita tengok kita punya y-intercept. Y-intercept is 2. 2 dekat atas, so kita boleh predict lah graf kita lebih kurang macam ni. Okay, set curve. Okay, so this one is 2. Okay, so kita boleh juga kalau nak complete, kita boleh carilah dekat sini roots dia. Okay, this one roots is fx equals to 0. Okay, so fx equal to 0. Here we got negative 4x squared minus 4x plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, this one apparently kita tak boleh factorize, so kita boleh guna formula lah. Okay, kita boleh guna formula x equals to negative b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Kita masukkan je lah. So this one is negative 4 plus minus. Okay, negative 4 squared minus 4. A is negative 4. C is 2. Okay, bahagi dengan 2a. 2a is negative 4. Kita boleh carilah nanti this one is 0.366 and negative 1.366. So kat sini lah 0.366 negative 1.366. Okay, ni kita punya graph. Okay, question C. Given point PRS lies on the graph fx equals to negative 4x squared minus 4x plus 2 such that s more than 0. So s positive. If the vertical distance of point P from x-axis is 0.44 units, find the horizontal distance of point P from the axis of symmetry of the graph. Okay, so maksudnya kita kena guna baliklah graph yang kita dah dapat daripada B. Okay, macam ni. Okay, this is our graph. So, kita ada titik P kat sini. Okay, P which is RS. Okay, lepas tu dia kata ayat ni vertical distance P from S 0.44. Okay, so vertical yang ni lah. Yang macam ni. Vertical distance. This one. So, 0.44. Oh, maksudnya dekat sini Y dia lah. Y dia is 0.44. So fx dia 0.44. So kita nak cari x lah. Okay. So kita substitute into this equation. So negative 4x squared minus 4x plus 2 equals to 0.44. Okay. So kita simplify lah. This is quadratic equation kan. So kita simplify. Negative 4x squared minus 4x. 2 minus 0.44 is 1.56. Quadratic equation dah general form, so kita boleh cari x lah. This one kita senang, kita guna ni lah formula. Okay, so negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Macam tadi lah. Okay, so kita cari. So negative 4 plus minus negative 4 squared minus 4 negative 4 1.56. Okay, over 2 times negative 4. Okay, so you just press calculator. You will get the answer is 0.3 and negative 1.3. Okay, now we have two values of x which are 0.3 and negative 1.3. Okay, so actually kalau kita tengok soalan dia, s is more than 0. This one s is more than 0. So maksudnya r pun more than 0 lah. R actually value of x. So ni r. Okay, so this one r. Okay, so kalau yang positive is right here lah 0.3 value of r. Okay, so now we are going to find the horizontal distance point P from x-axis. Okay, so maksudnya dia suruh cari ni distance ni. Okay, so then therefore kita cari je lah horizontal distance. So therefore horizontal distance. Okay, so nak cari ni kita tambahkan lah 0.3 plus 1 over 2. Kita jangan ambil negatif. So kita nak distance kan. Distance is always positive. So kita dapat dekat sini 0.8. So horizontal distance is 0.8. Okay, question number 2. Diagram 1.1 shows a square KLMN and diagram 1.2 shows a rectangle PQRS. Okay, given that the sum of the perimeter of both quadrilaterals are 68 cm, the length of the rectangle PQRS Y is 4 meter more than the length of the square KLMN. The ratio of the width of rectangle PQRS Z to the width of square KLMN is 3:4. Okay, find the value of x, y and z. Okay, so kalau kita tengok kat sini, we have 3 variables. So meaning that maybe we can use simultaneous equation to solve this one. So if simultaneous equation with 3 unknowns, kita kena create 3 equations lah. Okay, so yang the first one dia kata the sum of the perimeter of both quadrilateral is 68. So kita buatlah perimeter. Okay, so for this one perimeter dia is 4x. Okay, for this one 2y and 2z. So 2y plus 2z equals to 68. Okay, this one kita boleh simplify become 2x plus y plus z equals to 34. Okay, so kita dah dapat satu equation, first equation. So the second one, dia kata the length of the rectangle PQRSY is 4 cm more than the length of the square KLMN. Okay, square tadi dia punya side dia is X. So maksudnya Y equals to X plus 4. Okay, so this one is the second equation. Okay, so then the last one, the ratio. Okay, ratio z to width of square. So meaning x lah. Okay, so z over x ratio. So z over x equals to 3 over 4. Okay, so then this one we just make maybe we can make z as subject. So z equals to 3 over 4x. So this is the third equation. Okay, so then we can substitute. Okay, we can substitute equation 2 and equation 3. Okay, into equation 1. So become this one 2x plus y is x plus 4. And z actually 3 over 4x equals to 34. Okay, so straight away kita dah dapat semua satu unknown So the rest kita just simplify je lah. Okay, so this one dapat 3x plus 3 over 4x equals to 34 minus 4. Okay, so ni dapat berapa ni? So kita simplify je kan 12x plus 3x equals to 30 times 4 is 120. So 15x equals to 120 and x equals to 120 over 15 equals to 8. Okay, so then we substitute x equals to 8 into equation 2. So y equals to 8 plus 4 is 12. Okay, and x equals to 8 into equation 3. Okay, so z equals to 3 over 4 times 8. Okay, which is equals to 6. Okay, so this is the answer. X8, Y12, Z6. Okay, question number 3. Diagram 2 shows a semicircular shape of a mini theme park with a center O and a radius of 16 cm. Okay, kita terus label the radius is 16. Sector SOR is a ball pool section with a length of chord SR is 12. Okay, so this one is 12. Okay, sector POQ, this one is a children playground. The ratio of arc length PQ is to QR is 3 is to 2. So this one ratio 3, 2. Okay, so use pi equals to 3.142. Okay, kena ikut So calculate the value of theta in radian. Okay, so ni theta lah, kita lukis balik. So this one is theta, this one 16, 16, 12. Okay, to find the value of theta, kita ada a few alternative ways. Tapi saya akan guna yang mudah. So this one we divide into 2. So this one dapat 6, 6 lah. Okay, so then kita boleh cari half of this angle. Let's say alpha. So we have opposite and hypotenuse. So we can use sine. Sine alpha is 6 over 16. So alpha equals to 22.02. Okay, so kita nak cari theta kan. So kita darab 2 je lah. So 2.02 times 2 in radian times 3.142 over 180. So dapatlah 0.7689. Okay, so then B, the yellow coloured fence area is a waiting bay for parents while their children are playing in the ball pool. Okay, calculate the length of fences in meters for the area. Okay, so kita nak cari perimeter area yang warna kuning ni. Okay, so kita dah tahu tadi kalau chord dia ni memanglah 12 kan. So kita kena cari arc length of SR je by using formula of S equals to R theta. Okay, so B, kita kena cari S equals to R theta. Okay, radius is 16 meter. Okay, angles just now 0.7689. Okay, so which is equals to 12.3024. Okay, so therefore the perimeter tambahkan je lah dengan 12 So 12 plus 12.3024, we will get 24.3024. Okay, then question C, calculate the area in meters squared for children playground. Okay, so we are going to find this area. Okay, so to find area, we can use formula of area equals to 1 over 2 r squared theta. Okay, so r kita dah tahu which is 16 kan just now. So kita kena cari theta lah. Okay, theta yang ini. Okay, tapi kita tak boleh dapat theta tu sebab kita tak tahu kan. Kita kena cari semua sekali ni. Okay, kita kena cari semua sekali ni. Okay, kita tahu this is semicircle. So total angle is 180 ataupun pi rad. Okay, so nak cari, kita kena cari angle of POR first, which is pi minus just now yang ini kita dah dapat tadi kan 0.7689 kan. So pi minus 0.7689. Okay, yang ni kita dapat 2.3731. Okay, so then the ratio is 3:2. Okay, so then kita boleh cari angle POQ. Okay, 2.3731. Okay, times 3 divided by 5. Okay, sebab dia ratio dia kan total ni kan 5 Okay, so which is equals to 1.4239. Okay, so then we can find the area lah by using 1 over 2 r squared. R is radius, which is equals to 16, and the theta 1.4239. This one equals to 182.2592. Question number 4, prove cos squared x over sin x plus sin x equals to 2 cos x cosecant 2x. Okay, we have two sides, left and right. So let's say I want to start from right hand side. Okay, so from right hand side, here we got 2 cos x cosecant 2x. Okay, so cosecant is 1 over sine. Okay, so cosecant 2x is 1 over sine 2x. Okay, so sine 2x double angle is 2 sine x cos x. Okay, so kita boleh simplify this one. So kita dapat 1 over sine x. Okay, basic identity, 1 is sine squared plus cos squared. Okay, so sorry. Sine squared x plus cos squared x. Okay, sorry, over sin x. Okay, so kita dapat simplify lah. Sin squared x over sin x plus cos squared x over sin x. Okay, so kita boleh rearrange. So this one equals to cos squared x over sin x plus sin x. Okay, so this one equals to left hand side. So then proven. B1, sketch the graph of y equals to modulus sin x for x from 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so to sketch, we draw the y-axis and x-axis. Okay, so this is x, this is y, graph of sine. Okay, like this. Okay, so 2 pi, pi, 0, 1, negative 1. Okay, but now we have modulus. Okay, modulus meaning that the negative part we reflect about x-axis. Okay, become like this. Okay, so the final graph would be like this. Okay, y-axis, x, 0, pi, 2 pi. Maximum is 1. Minimum is 0. Okay. So next, hence using the same axis, sketch a suitable straight line that satisfy the equation modulus sin x equals to k, where k is a constant, okay, that will produce 4 number of solution. Okay, penting tu k constant. Kalau k constant, maksud kita akan dapat garis lurus yang selari dengan paksi x, yang horizontal line lah. Okay, dan produce 4 number of solution, maksudnya kena ada 4 intersection point. Jadi kalau macam itu, kita punya garisan ialah between ni lah, kat sini. Boleh kat sini. Okay, so this one y equals to k. Dia boleh naik, boleh turun. So dia boleh naik, boleh turun lah. Boleh naik, boleh turun. Tapi dia mesti okay, the range of values of k ni mesti between 0 and 1 je lah. So k ni between 0 and 1. Tak ada equal sign. Sebab kalau k0 dan nanti solution dia 3 solution. Kalau k1 solution dia 2 solution. So mesti between 0 and 1. Question number 5. Diagram 3 shows quadrilateral AEFG and triangle ABD such that BD and AG intersect at point C. Given that vector AB equals to 4x, vector CB equals to negative 1 over 2y, vector GF equals to 3 over 2y, vector EF equals to 3x, and the ratio BC is to CD equals to 2 is to 3. Okay, so first of all, kita kena label. Okay, so kita label this one AB equals to 4x. Okay, CB, the direction from C to B, negative 1 over 2y. GF, okay, GF, the direction is like this, 3 over 2y. Okay, EF, E to F is 3x. Okay, so ratio BC. BC is 2. CD is 3. Okay, so the first one we are going to A1. Okay, to express vector AC in terms of vector X and vector Y. Okay, first of all, we need to write the resultant vector. Okay, so AC, okay, A to C. Okay, we have AB plus BC. So equals to AB plus BC. Okay, so AB is 4x, BC, okay, BC, opposite direction, so negative is positive 1 over 2y. Okay, so next, AD, okay, AD, so from A to D, okay, AD is AB plus BD, so AB plus BD. Okay, so BD is 5 over 2 BC in terms of BC. Okay, so BD, we have BC, so BD is 5 over 2 BC. Okay, so then we substitute. AB is 4x. Okay, BC is opposite direction. Okay, so negative is positive. 1 over 2y. Okay, we simplify. We will get 4x plus 5 over 4y. Okay, question B. Given AG equals to lambda times of AC. So AG equals to lambda AC. Okay, and AE equals to mu AD. Okay, so then the first one, dia nak express AF in terms of lambda X and Y. So AF. Okay, so kalau kita tengok dekat sini AF. Okay, so kita nak AF. Let's say ni AF kan. Ni AF. Okay, tapi yang the first one ni tak dalam sebutan lambda. Lambda yang ni in terms of AG kan. Okay, so AF sama dengan AG plus GF. Okay, so AF equals to AG plus GF. So AG kita gunalah lambda AC. So this one equals to lambda AC plus GF. Okey, AC kita dah dapat daripada A tadi. Okey, daripada A tadi, AC equals to AX plus 4X plus 1 over 2Y. So, kita masukkanlah dekat sini. AC 4X plus 1 over 2Y. Okey, plus GF daripada gambar ni. Okey, yang kita dah label tadi, GF is 3 over 2Y. So, 3 over 2y. Okay, the rest kita simplify. So, kita dapat 4 lambda x plus 1 over 2 lambda y plus 3 over 2y. Okay. So, 4 lambda x plus 1 over 2 lambda plus 3 over 2 y. Okay. So this is B1, okay. AF in terms of lambda XY. Okay, B2. AF, but in terms of mu XY. Okay, yang mu yang ada ni. So kalau kita tengok gambar, okay, AF yang boleh guna AE. Gambar kan? Okay, AF, so AE plus EF. So AF equals to AE plus EF. So AE yang ni lah mu AD. So mu AD plus EF. Okay. AD kita dah dapat juga daripada soalan A tadi. Okay. AD sama dengan 4X plus 5 over 4Y. So kita masukkan. Okay. Mu 4x plus 5 over 4y. Okay, plus EF. Okay, EF kita tengok gambar yang kita dah label. EF direction dia macam tu So, plus 3x. So, plus 3x. Okay, so kita buka the big bracket ni. So, kita dapat 4 mu x tambah 5 over 4 mu y plus 3x. Okay, so kita simplify. This one dapat 4 mu plus 3x plus 5 over 4 mu y. Okay, so kita dah dapat both vector AF. Okay, the first one yang ni. The second one yang ni. Okay. So then the question. Hence find the value of lambda and mu. So macam biasalah kalau kita nak cari ni. Kita boleh gunakan simultaneous. Sebelum tu kita kena compare. Okay. So compare. Okay. Compare apa? Compare ni lah. Vector AF this one dengan vector AF this one. So X dengan X lah. Yang ni yang sama dengan ni. Kita compare. Vector X dengan vector X. Okay, vector Y dengan vector Y. Okay, so kita samakan So, the first one yang vector X, 4 lambda equals to 4 mu plus 3. Okay, yang vector Y, yang warna hijau ni. So, 1 over 2 lambda plus 3 over 2. Equals to 5 over 4 mu. Okay. So, nampaknya ni kita boleh simplify. So, semua kita darab dengan 4. Okay. So, kita dapat this one 2 lambda plus 6 equals to 5 mu. Okay. So, then masukkan lambda from this one. From the first equation. So, lambda equals to 4 mu plus 3 over 4. So, mu plus 3 over 4 So, ni equation 1, ni equation 2. Okay, so 1 into 2. So, 2 lambda is mu plus 3 over 4 plus 6 equals to 5 mu. Okay, so this one become 2 mu plus 3 over 2 plus 6 equals to 5 mu. The rest kita just simplify je lah. Semput juga ni nak menyelesaikan ni. 5 plus 2 is 5 minus 2 is 3 mu. So 3 mu sama dengan 15 over 2. So dapatlah mu sama dengan 5 over 2. Okay. So into 1. So masukkan mu is 5 over 2 plus 3 over 4. Okay, 5 over 2 plus 3 over 4 become 13 over 4. Okay, so inilah lambda kita is 13 over 4. Mu is 5 over 2. Number 6a, given the first derivative of 3x, x squared plus 5 power of 4 is 3x squared plus 5 cubed times hx squared plus 5. Find the value of h. Okay, so to find first derivative, kita guna ni lah, differentiate sekali. So let y equals to 3x x squared plus 5 power of 4. Kalau kita tak nak guna let pun tak apalah, tapi saya nak guna supaya nampak dia punya step. Okay, so now is product of two functions. So kita gunakan product rule. So let's say u equals to 3x, u in terms of x differentiate, we will get du dx equals to 3. So v equals to x squared plus 5 power of 4. So v in terms of x differentiate, dv dx equals to 4x squared plus 5 cubed. Power will reduce by 1. So differentiate another time function in the bracket, 2x. Okay, so simplify 8x x squared plus 5 cubed. Okay, so product rule dy dx is u dv dx plus v du dx. Okay, so this one times this one plus v du dx. So kita masukkan je lah. So 3x 8x x squared plus 5 cube plus 3x squared plus 5 power of 4. Okay, so kita dapati ni dia ada common factor power of 3 dengan power of 4. Kita boleh factorize, kita keluarkan power yang rendah lah. So this one is x cube plus 5 cube. So in the bracket 3 times 8 24x squared plus 3, kita dah keluarkan 3, so dalam tinggal 1 x squared plus 5. Okay, so the rest we just simplify. Okay, so x cube plus 5 cube. So this one 24x plus 3x squared plus 15. So dapat x squared plus 5 cube. 24 plus 3. 27x cube. Sorry, x squared. Okay, sorry, x squared plus 15. Okay, ni kita boleh keluarkan, kita factorize 3. Okay, so 3 kita keluarkan x squared plus 5 cube. This one become 9x squared plus 5. Okay, so ni kita compare lah jawapan kita ni. Kita compare dengan yang dia bagi ni. This one dengan this one. So dia tanyakan apa value of h. So kita dapatlah h kita this one. Okay, so h equals to 9. Okay, so therefore h equals to 9. 6b, diagram 4 shows an inverted cone with a base diameter of 12 cm and a height of 18 cm. Given the height of water in the cone is h cm and the radius of the water surface is r cm. The water leaks out through a small hole at the tip of the cone. Calculate the small changes in the height of water when the volume decreases from 8 pi centimeter cube to 7.5 pi centimeter cube. Okay, given the volume of cone is 1 over 3 pi r squared h. Okay, first of all, bila kita dapat soalan macam ni, kita kena identify apa dia clue dia supaya kita tahu apa kita nak buat. Okay, so now yang daripada ayat ni, dia suruh cari small changes in height. Okay, small changes. So, small changes kita tahulah. Kita belajar small changes in topics of differentiation. Small changes is delta. Okay, so kalau small changes in height, height tadi is H, right? Okay, so delta H. Dia suruh cari. Okay, now given pula the volume decreases. Decreases, maksudnya dia mengurang lah. Okay, 8 pi is initial value, 7.5 pi is final value. Jadi kalau kita nak cari delta lah, delta V. Sebab volume kan. Okay, so this one kita boleh carilah delta V. Okay, final minus initial. So 7.5 pi minus 8 pi, which is equals to negative 0.5 pi. Itu kita punya delta V. Okay, so tengok hubungan dekat sini, delta H, delta V. So kita ada pula kat sini V, tapi kat sini V in terms of R squared and H. Jadi kita ada dua unknown, which are R and H. Jadi tak uniform kan. So therefore kita kena uniformkan ni. So kita kena ada V in terms of H je. Sebab kat sini ada dV dengan DH je. Jadi kita kena cari kaitan between R and H. Okay, so sekarang cuba kita tengok kat sini. Okay, from the diagram given. Okay, this one radius Radius is 6 lah. Jadi you all dah belajar masa lower form ratio, rates and proportional tu. Okay, you all dapat lah dia punya hubungan kan. Okay, so kalau macam ni, this one 6, tinggi dia 18. Kalau yang kecil R, height dia H. So kita dapat lah dia punya relation between R and H. Okay, so ratio dia lah R over H equals to 6 over 18. So R over H equals to 1 over 3 ataupun R equals to H over 3. So then kita dah ada relation this one. So we put equation 1 into equation 2. So 1 into 2. Sebab tadi matlamat kita kan kita nak uniformkan all in terms of H kan. Okay, so then V equals to 1 over 3 pi. R is H over 3 squared H. Okay, so then this one is 1 over 3 pi H squared over 9 H. Then the final answer, we simplify 1 over 27 pi H cube. Okay, so then bolehlah kita tadi kita dah ada ni. So di delta H, delta V. So kita ada V in terms of H. So mungkin kita boleh differentiate. Okay, V in terms of H differentiate, we will get dV dH. Okay, so dV dH equals to 3 over 27 pi H squared. So simplify lah. So dapat 1 over 9 pi H squared. Okay, so now kita punya problem, kita tak tahu H. Kita tak tahu H. So kita kena cari juga H ni. Okay, tapi tadi dia dah bagi volume. Volume ni just now, volume is initial dia 8. So ni, yang ni kita boleh carilah. Volume sama dengan 8 kan. So 1 over 27 pi H cube equals to, 8 pi tadi, 8 pi. Okay, so then kita boleh cari H lah. Okay, so this one cancel off. H cube equals to 216. So kita dapatlah H equals to 6. Okay, so then we substitute H equals to 6 into dVdH ni tadi. So 1 over 9 pi 6 squared. Okay, so then this one equals to 36 over 9. So 4 pi. So dV dH equals to 4 pi. Okay, so now so just now kita dah identify kan, this one is small changes, so delta. So kita carilah guna approximate change. Okay, so kita ada delta V, delta H, approximate to dV dH. Okay, so delta V tadi kita dah tahu, this one. So dV dH pun kita dah tahu, this one. So kita masukkanlah nilai-nilai ni dalam equation kita. So delta V negative 0.5 pi. Delta H tak tahu dia suruh cari. So this one DVDH is 4 pi. Okay, so then delta H equals to negative 0.5 pi over 4 pi. So this one equals to negative 1 over 8. Number 7a, the sum to infinity of a geometric progression is 6 and the sum of its first two terms is 5, 1 over 3. Okay, so now kita ada geometric progression So geometric progression GP. Okay, sum to infinity S infinity. Okay, formula of S infinity A over 1 minus R. So dia kata equals to 6. So this one equals to 6. So another one, sum of the first two terms. Okay, two terms. So T1 plus T2. Okay, equals to 5, 1 over 3. Okay, since of this is geometric progression, T1 dia lah A. T2 dia lah AR. Okay, equals to 5, 1 over 3. Okay, so dia so cari the possible common ratio. Okay, so now we can see here we have two equation and two unknown. So kita boleh guna simultaneous equation lah untuk selesaikan ni. So first of all, from sum to infinity ni, kita cari A lah. A as subject. So 6, 1 minus R. This one pun kita boleh factorize A, 1 plus R equals to 5, 1 over 3. Okay, so ni equation 1, this one equation 2. So mungkin kita boleh masukkan So 1 into 2. Okay, so is 6, 1 minus R, 1 plus R equals to 5, 1 over 3. Okay, so nampak kita dah dapat seragamkan dia. So the rest kita just solve lah. Okay, untuk solve ni pun ada banyak cara. Ada dua cara lah. Yang the first one kita completekan terus dia equal to 0. Lepas tu factorize sebab dia quadratic ni kan. Tapi saya nak guna cara lain sikit lah. So this one 1 minus R, 1 plus R equals to, saya dapat 5, 1 over 3 over 6 dapat 8 over 9. Okay, so this one kita dah tahu ni kan. Kita dapat 1 minus R squared equals to 8 over 9. So 1 minus 8 over 9 equals to R squared. So R squared equals to 1 over 9. So therefore R equals to plus minus. Okay, plus minus because square root 1 over 9. So 1 over 3. Okay. So inilah possible values of R, which are negative 1 over 3 and 1 over 3. 7b. During the outbreak of the flu virus in town A, approximately the rate of infection increases daily by 15% from the previous day. Given that on the 1st July, the number of cases is 30. Okay, so daripada soalan ni ada persen-persen ni kan. So kita boleh predict lah. This one is geometric progression. Okay, geometric progression with A is 30. Okay, R 15%. Okay, so 15 per 100 plus 1 which is 1.15. Okay, tapi kalau we all tak boleh nak predict macam ni kan, you all boleh gunalah method yang satu lagi. You all carilah T1 is 30. Okay, T2 carilah kalau dia increase 50% berapa. So T3 increase lagi 15% berapa. So lepas tu cari ni AP ke GP. Sama jugalah, you all boleh nanti finally you all akan dapat this is GP dan radius R dia is 1.15 common ratio dia Okay, tapi saya tak nak tunjuk lah method tu ni Okay, so B1, find the estimated total cases for month of July. Ayat ni penting ada perkataan total. Okay, total. So lepas tu ada perkataan Julai. So maksudnya kita boleh tahulah kalau Julai ada 31 hari. So N equals to 31. Okay, total pula. Total pula maksudnya kena cari SN lah. SN. So SN for geometric progression with R is 1.15. So formula dia is R power of n minus 1 over R minus 1 sebab R dia more than 1. Okay, so we just substitute lah as 31. Sebab 31 hari in July. So A is 30. Okay, R is 1.15, N is 31 minus 1 over 1.15 minus 1. Nanti kita akan dapat 15,028. Okay, since of ni cases, jadi kita ambil ni lah, kita round off kan jadi integer. So this is the answer. B2. Starting from 1st of August, preventive measures has been taken by the local authority to deal with the outbreaks. Given the number of new cases on 1st August and 31st of August is 2,284 and 45,464 cases respectively. Determine the estimated infection rate for the duration from 1st August until 31st August. Do the preventive measures take gives positive effect? Give your justification. Okay, so sekarang kita kena keluarkan info yang dia bagi dekat sini. So number of new cases 31st August and 31st August. Okay, this value. So meaning that T1, which is A lah, equals to 2284. So T31 is 45464. Okay, so kita ada formula Tn. Okay, so Tn equals to AR power of n minus 1. So substitute lah here. So this one AR power of 30, which is equals to 45464. Okay, so kita ada A is 2284. R power of 30 equals to 45464. So kita cari je lah R sebab dia nak infection rate kan. So nak cari R lah. So R power of 30 divide these two become 19.9054. So R sama dengan power of 1 over 30 lah. So kita dapat R equals to 1.105. Okay. So finally kita dapat R is 1.105. Yang previously kita punya R ialah yang soalan satu tadi kan. R is 1.15. So 1.105 is less than 1.15. So maksudnya dia positive effect lah. So jawapan dia yes.